Hello people. If you are a cobbler running your own business, you know the value of every stitch in every sale. But are you keeping track of your finances the right way? Proper bookkeeping and accounting can help you manage expenses, increase profits, and grow your business with confidence. In this video, we'll break down simple and effective bookkeeping strategies tailored for cobblers. Whether you are working for a small shop or running a growing shoe repair business. Cobblers are skilled craftsmen who specialize in making, fixing and reviving shoes and other leather products. To run their businesses smoothly, they need to have strong bookkeeping and accounting practices in place. Keeping accurate financial records helps them stay compliant with tax rules, play ahead for purchasing tools and materials, and gain useful insight into which services are most profitable. Now let's see some IMP points to focus on for efficient bookkeeping and financial management tailored to your business. So the first point is keep a clear record of earnings from made-to-order shoes to understand demand and pricing trends. Second point is track payments for unique repairs like high-end leather restoration to see which services are most profitable. Third point is record cost for polish, brushes and conditioners to control spending and maintain inventory. Fourth point is log travel, booth fees and materials used at shows to measure their impact on business growth. Fifth point is keep an eye on income from items like insoles, laces and waterproof space to expand sales opportunities. Next point is document payments from digital platforms to compare online and in-person services revenue. Next point is track repair and replacement cost for tools like stitching machines and sole presses to plan for upgrades. Next point is record payments from stores that sell or promote your work to evaluate partnership success. And the last point is keep records of workshops, certifications and new technique courses to measure professional growth investments. Now we will discuss about the key performance indicators or KPIs, especially in the context of cobblers. So the first point is percentage of repairs on same shoe. Tracks how often customers return for fixes on the same pair. A high rate might indicate issue with the initial repair or the quality of the materials used. Second point is cost of materials per repair. Monitors how much is spent on materials for each repair job. Comparing this to a set budget helps identify areas to cut cost without compromising quality. Third point is broken down versus worn out repairs. Analyzes whether repairs are due to regular wear and tear like sole replacement or sudden breakage like snapped heels. This insight helps adjust services and pricing accordingly. Next point is efficiency of repair processes. Measures how long different repair tasks take like glue, drying or stitching. Identifying slow steps helps streamline workflow and speed up service. Next point is repair material inventory turnover rate. Tracks how quickly supplies like leather, soles and adhesives are used. A good turnover rate prevents excessive stock and ensures material are always available when needed. Next point is sales of shoe care items. Monitors revenue from polishes, brushes and cleaning products. Adding this sales to repair income gives a clearer picture of overall shop profitability. Next point is customer satisfaction score. Collect feedback from surveys or reviews to gauge how happy customers are with repair quality, service and communication. Higher scores means stronger customer loyalty. And the last point is percentage of upselling. Next point is customer satisfaction score. Collect feedback from surveys or reviews to gauge how happy customers are with repair quality, service and communication. Higher scores means stronger customer loyalty. And the last point is percentage of upselling on repairs. Tracks how often customers add extra services like leather conditioning or waterproofing. A high rate means better sales strategy and added revenue per repair. Now let's talk about how we handle bookkeeping that can help streamline operations and boost profitability for cobblers. So the first point is job costing and profit analysis. Always track repair cost including materials and labor to understand your profit margin. This helps in setting the right prices and identifying areas to cut cost without affecting the quality. Second point is inventory management for shoe repair supplies. Use an inventory system to keep track of materials like leather, glue and thread. This prevents stock shortage, reduces waste and ensures the smooth operations. Third point is market research and competitor analysis. Regularly check market trends and competitor pricing, especially for specialized services like custom shoe repairs. Staying competitive ensures steady business growth. Our next point is create and maintain relationships with suppliers. Build strong connections with suppliers to negotiate better prices and secure high quality materials. A good relationship can also ensure priority access to essential supplies. Next point is establish a customer loyalty program. Offer perks like priority service or repair discounts to encourage repeat business. A well-structured loyalty program boosts customer retention and increases long-term sales. Next point is cross-selling and upselling techniques. Train employees to suggest additional services like waterproofing or shoe care products. This not only improves customer satisfaction but also increases revenue per transaction. And our last point is regular equipment maintenance and calibration. Schedule routine maintenance for key equipment like sewing machine and lasting stands. Keeping tools in top shape ensures high quality repairs and prevents costly breakdowns. Now I am going to share some inspiring case studies that highlights how strategic solutions can transform a disorganized situation into a profitable one. So our first case study is a shoe repair shop struggled with tracking material cost and missed opportunities to upsell, leading to lost revenue. As a solution, Miro Accounting introduced a system to track material cost per repair, ensuring accurate pricing. Employees were also trained in upselling additional services and shoe care products. And as a result, the shop identified. So our first case study is a shoe repair shop struggled with tracking material cost and missed opportunities to upsell, leading to lost revenue. As a solution, Miro Accounting introduced a system to track material cost per repair, ensuring accurate pricing. Employees were also trained in upselling additional services and shoe care products. And as a result, the shop identified cost-saving areas and implemented better pricing strategies. Personalized services recommends keep customers happy while upselling increased revenue per client. Our second case study is a shoe repair shop faced customer dissatisfaction due to incorrect repair estimates, causing mistrust and potential dispute over final cost. As a solution, Miro Accounting implemented a job costing system to calculate repair cost accurately, ensuring precise estimates. Employees were also trained to communicate repair complexities and possible cost variation clearly. And as a result, transparent pricing helped build customer trust, reduced disputes, and improved overall satisfaction with the repair services. Our last case study is a cobbler faced high material waste due to poor organization and inefficient cutting techniques, affecting both sustainability and profitability. As a solution, Miro Accounting analyzed material usage and introduced efficient cutting methods. They also explored recycling and reuse options for leftover materials. And as a result, the cobbler reduced waste, lowered cost, and minimized environmental impact. Sustainable practices also attracted eco-conscious customers, enhancing business reputation. Miro Accounting goes beyond basic bookkeeping by helping shoemakers boost profitability through job costing, upselling training, and cost analysis. By optimizing inventory, reducing waste, and leveraging online platforms, Miro empowers cobblers to expand their reach and grow sustainably. With smart financial strategies, Shoemaker can maximize revenue, control expenses, and build a stronger business. We appreciate your time and hope you found these insights valuable. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more business and accounting tips. Stay tuned for more ways to grow and manage your businesses efficiently. See you in the next video.